guys, it's Karla with Interior Design, and today we're going to talk about what to do with those empty walls and create a stylish moment in your home. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new video. So this is actually a wall leading into the master bedroom of this client's home. And normally, to be honest, you probably wouldn't put much on it. But the thing is it actually is a sight line from the rest of the house. So when the doors are open to the bedroom, you see right down the hall to this area. So we wanted to create something fun. So I wanted to break it down for you. So the first thing is a console table. So I know typically we think of console tables in entries, but really they can go on any blank wall, and they really are not just beautiful, but useful as well. But we just put this here, and that was our starting point. Then we thought, what do we want to put above it? And it was either art or a mirror, and we thought, let's do art. But we wanted to do something a little fun and whimsical. So we created kind of a gallery wall here. And then the homeowner loves birds. So we actually filled it with bird pictures, but I'll share a little tip for you. We couldn't find ones that we liked, so my daughter suggested just Googling them and printing them out in a regular printer, which we did. We just Googled different birds, found something, printed them out. We thought it was a temporary fix, but now we just love it because it feels colorful and whimsical and eclectic. And then don't forget about the area underneath the console table. Here we put some baskets in. Again, these can be super useful. You can store blankets or extra things that you need in them, but they also add that textural element as well. So what could have been just a boring blank wall is now a really cute area when you walk into the bedroom. Before starting any decorating or styling project, it's really important to know what your personal design style is, so link below to my free Finding Your Design Style quiz. If you like this video, like it, be sure to subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.